The ocean is dying. Let's get started. What is World Oceans Day, and why do we celebrate it? What is World Oceans Day, and why do we celebrate it?
Every year on June 8th, people around the world come together to celebrate the ocean. Every year on June 8th, people around the world come together to celebrate the ocean. It's not just about admiring the waves. It's about protecting the water that gives us life. It's not just about admiring the waves. It's about protecting the water that gives us life.
How does the ocean help keep Earth's temperature stable? How does the ocean help keep Earth's temperature stable?
The ocean acts like Earth's air conditioner. The ocean absorbs heat and distributes it across the planet. The ocean acts like Earth's air conditioner. The ocean absorbs heat and distributes it across the planet. But with rising temperatures, it's struggling to do its job. Warmer oceans mean stronger storms, melting ice and rising sea levels. But with rising temperatures, it's struggling to do its job. Warmer oceans mean stronger storms, melting ice and rising sea levels.
How can people celebrate World Oceans Day? How can people celebrate World Oceans Day?
You can make a difference by reducing plastic use, joining a beach cleanup, or choosing sustainable seafood. You can make a difference by reducing plastic use, joining a beach cleanup, or choosing sustainable seafood.
What's happening to our oceans, and why should we worry? What's happening to our oceans, and why should we worry?
The ocean is drowning in pollution, heating up, and losing marine life faster than ever. The ocean is drowning in pollution, heating up, and losing marine life faster than ever. If we don't act now, entire ecosystems could collapse. If we don't act now, entire ecosystems could collapse.
How is plastic pollution making things worse? How is plastic pollution making things worse?
Imagine swimming in an ocean filled with trillions of pieces of plastic. That's the reality for marine life. Imagine swimming in an ocean filled with trillions of pieces of plastic. That's the reality for marine life. Animals mistake plastic for food, get tangled in trash, and even starve to death because of it. Animals mistake plastic for food, get tangled in trash, and even starve to death because of it.
Why are coral reefs dying, and how does that affect us? Why are coral reefs dying, and how does that affect us?
Coral reefs are the rainforests of the sea, but pollution and rising temperatures are causing them to turn white and die. Coral reefs are the rainforests of the sea, but pollution and rising temperatures are causing them to turn white and die. Without reefs, millions of marine species lose their home, and communities that rely on them for fishing and tourism suffer. Without reefs, millions of marine species lose their home, and communities that rely on them for fishing and tourism suffer.
What is ocean acidification, and why is it dangerous? What is ocean acidification, and why is it dangerous?
The ocean is absorbing more carbon than ever, turning acidic and weakening sea creatures, like oysters, crabs, and corals. The ocean is absorbing more carbon than ever, turning acidic and weakening sea creatures, like oysters, crabs, and corals. If this keeps happening, entire food chains will collapse. If this keeps happening, entire food chains will collapse.
What happens when an oil spill reaches the ocean? What happens when an oil spill reaches the ocean?
Oil spills smother fish, birds, and plants, making it impossible for them to breathe or move. Oil spills smother fish, birds, and plants, making it impossible for them to breathe or move. Some spills take decades to clean up, and some never fully recover. Some spills take decades to clean up, and some never fully recover.
How does overfishing destroy ocean ecosystems? How does overfishing destroy ocean ecosystems?
Fishing too much and too fast removes entire species, leaving predators and prey unbalanced. Fishing too much and too fast removes entire species, leaving predators and prey unbalanced. Some fish populations have already dropped by 90%. Some fish populations have already dropped by 90%.
Are rising sea levels really a problem? Are rising sea levels really a problem?
Yes. Rising sea levels destroy homes, flood cities, and erase coastal habitats. Yes. Rising sea levels destroy homes, flood cities, and erase coastal habitats. Places like the Maldives and Miami could one day be underwater. Places like the Maldives and Miami could one day be underwater.
What's happening to whales and dolphins because of noise pollution? What's happening to whales and dolphins because of noise pollution?
Underwater noise from ships and drilling confuses, deafens, and even kills marine animals. Underwater noise from ships and drilling confuses, deafens, and even kills marine animals. Whales can't communicate or find food in noisy waters. Whales can't communicate or find food in noisy waters.
Why are microplastics in the ocean a big deal? Why are microplastics in the ocean a big deal?
Microplastics are tiny pieces of plastic that fish eat. Humans eat those fish, meaning plastic is in our food. Microplastics are tiny pieces of plastic that fish eat. Humans eat those fish, meaning plastic is in our food.
How does burning fossil fuels hurt the ocean? How does burning fossil fuels hurt the ocean?
Factories, cars, and industries release carbon into the air, which the ocean absorbs. Factories, cars, and industries release carbon into the air, which the ocean absorbs. But too much carbon is causing the water to heat up, kill coral, and melt polar ice. But too much carbon is causing the water to heat up, kill coral, and melt polar ice.
Why does cutting down trees affect the ocean? Why does cutting down trees affect the ocean?
Trees clean the air, and when they're gone, more carbon ends up in the ocean, making climate change worse. Trees clean the air, and when they're gone, more carbon ends up in the ocean, making climate change worse.
Is dumping waste into the ocean really happening? Is dumping waste into the ocean really happening?
Sadly, yes. Millions of tons of trash, chemicals, and sewage flow into the ocean every year, poisoning marine life. Sadly, yes. Millions of tons of trash, chemicals, and sewage flow into the ocean every year, poisoning marine life.
How can people fight ocean pollution and climate change together? How can people fight ocean pollution and climate change together?
By using less plastic, eating sustainable seafood and driving less, and when we do drive, choosing electric vehicles to reduce carbon emissions. By using less plastic, eating sustainable seafood and driving less, and when we do drive, choosing electric vehicles to reduce carbon emissions.
What's one easy habit people can change to help the ocean? What's one easy habit people can change to help the ocean?
Use less plastic. A single plastic bottle can last 450 years in the ocean. Use less plastic. A single plastic bottle can last 450 years in the ocean.
Why is protecting the ocean the same as protecting ourselves? Why is protecting the ocean the same as protecting ourselves?
The ocean provides food, air, jobs, and climate stability. If we lose it, we lose our future. The ocean provides food, air, jobs, and climate stability. If we lose it, we lose our future.